What's up, everybody? Today's video has a lot of purpose. We're in quarantine, it's a beautiful day. I'm just trying to sit outside, eat some lunch, work from my patio. There are wasps. Literally everywhere. I try to be nice.
I love bees. I think they're super cute. I don't want anything bad to happen to them.
So just leave me alone.
Like, just leave me alone.
Like, bro, just leave me alone.
Makeup today is inspired by bees, so I'm just gonna do something
Inside.
dedicated to them.
Clearly, they run the world. I went and changed my earrings to match the look a little. First step, Almay Smart Shade. I'm just gonna use my hands today because good.
With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
What I have here is the Unique Liquid Foundation Brush. It has a nice little collection pool right there for you to put the foundation in. And then, of course, I'm gonna go in with Unique Mineral Touch. This is my go-to. I started selling it since I use it all the time anyways, and I love it. Oops, sorry. You honestly don't even need that much. That was extra. Today I'm going in with Mineral Touch Pressed Powder. Going in with bronzer. Now, this is actually all the bronzer I have at the moment. It's the leftover from an Ipsy bag.
I just found out that a widow's peak is something people don't want, and I was completely oblivious to this my whole life. So now I have like a whole new problem to deal with. How do I even deal with that? You can't...
For all my concealer uses in this video, I'll be using this Skin Perfecting Concealer from Unique. Little goes a long way.
Maybe like pull some of these down or something. Nope, that made it worse.
For the bottom line, and we're done. Just kidding. A palette that I use every day. Moodstruck Brow Obsession Palette by Unique. So, using an angled brush like this, grab a little gel. I go for the dark. To get that nice gradient look, you can just draw it in, it just takes a little bit more time. So I saw this from another YouTube user, Beats by Dre is her makeup tutorial name. But you just go like this and grabbing some of this extra back here, and you're just rubbing it towards the front, and it honestly gives a really nice gradient for a lot less work. Today's pack, we're going with the best black shadow I've ever used, and that's not just a sale, it really is the best black I've ever used from Unique.
Is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain.
It's called Peppy, which doesn't really make sense to me, but I don't make the rules.
Simultaneously on 2 separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound, impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
looking pretty good. So we can move on to our next part of the video. Now I'm gonna go in and fill in with a gradient from white to yellow. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I had no plan of doing this today, nor do I have any design plan. So this could go very awful or it could go very well, I don't know. All I know is that I got all pissed off at the bees for not letting me invade their homes. Charles, start off with the white. A little bit of yellow and a little bit of orange. Oh, I just got myself so bad. And draw the honey marks. Oh God. Okay, I need to take that off. I'm sorry, that was a horrible start. Let's try that again.
Okay, third time's a charm.
Next, grab the skinniest brush you can find and your go-to concealer to go in and fill in all of this with concealer. The good news is that the hard part is already done. It's kind of like a coloring book now. I'm gonna go in and fill each of these hexagons. Alright, so a few last minute touches. I thought since we used purple in the eye, we could go in and use a little purple in the lip.